Have you been looking for a performance SUV with styling that won't break the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Alfa Romeo Stelvio TI Sport in Misano Blue. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, dark mirror and Scudetto grille, 20-inch aluminum wheels, colored brake calipers, blind spot and cross-path detection, dark exhaust tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 35,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch infotainment display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Alpha DNA drive modes, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6298.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.